Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get a Google Maps API key for your WPL site. First, you should go to Google Maps platform to get started. You can get started here or here, it doesn't really matter. Before I move on, I want to mention that this video is current as of May 2019, but there might be slight differences in the layout as Google makes updates to the platform. Okay, once you click on Get Started, you'll want to make sure all three boxes are checked. This will ensure any API you choose to use will be available. Now you can press Continue. Here you should select a project or create your own. Creating a project in this step is as simple as making a name for it. After you create a project, you'll redirect to billing where you can finish creating your account and setting up everything. Again, as of May 2019, each user gets $200 monthly credit to use for free. For the API that is needed by WPL, this translates to about 28,000 loads per month. You can see Google's pricing page for any updates and more details. And you can also set budget restrictions should you choose to. Now, after you create your billing, you'll be redirected to your project dashboard. You'll get this pop-up about API options, and you can just click Next. After that, you'll get a screen with your first API key. Here you should copy this key, make sure it's copied, and then you can head over to the back end of your WPL, go to your global settings, and then you can paste your API under the Google API key server side, not the client side, but the server side here. Now we need to create the client-side API. You should click on the navigation menu here, go to APIs and Services, and click on Credentials. From this page, you should click on Create Credentials and choose API Key. Here you should click on Restrict Key, and you'll be brought to this page where we have a few steps. First, we should choose HTTP referrers under the application restrictions. Next, we will need to add website restrictions. This step is very important. So here we need to add a new item. In this box, we should add our domain or subdomain, if that is what you're using, in this special format. So it should be star dot your domain, whatever that is, or subdomain, /star. Now double check your code here to ensure you have star dot. Make sure you have this dot, is really important. Whatever your domain or subdomain is, and then end with /star. Once you're finished, click Done and add one more item. Here, the format will be star, domain, whatever that is, or your subdomain, /star. Just for safe measure, just make sure you have this set correctly and double check both. Once you have confirmed your website restrictions, click on Restrict Key under API Restrictions. A menu will appear with many APIs, and you should choose Maps JavaScript API. Once you've chosen this, you can save your selections. Here you will see your second API with restrictions. Go ahead and copy this key. And then paste it under the Google API key client side in your global settings. After you have done this, everything should automatically save and your Google Maps feature will be up and running on your website.